this out. It just came in. It's a 1956 Chevrolet. This car belonged to a good friend of mine's father. Local car here in New York. I mean, it's beautiful. Absolutely rust-free. Body is amazing. The paint is beautiful. Show quality all around. 350 turbo transmission. Vintage air conditioning. Blows ice cold. Listen to that 350 run. What a beautiful car. The lines, the chrome is all new. I mean, just a really, really nice car all around. I just drove her. She runs and drives great. Everything works. The lights, mag wheels, front disc brakes. The underneath of this car is showroom quality. It's absolutely beautiful. Check out the pics. Check us out at HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. This car's priced to sell. It's beautiful and ready to go. Wow. Just quick look at the interior. Just a really well done car all around.